Here we are viewing the platform from the HR Administrator role. This role has the highest level of access and allows for company and employee level edits and customizations. During this presentation, we will be introducing to you some of the many key features of the advanced HR and payroll platforms. Some of those features include company level customizations, reporting features, audit logs, applicant tracking, electronic onboarding, employee benefits, communication throughout the system, employee maintenance, and the integration of the payroll and swipe clock platforms within. The administrator user has the ability to customize the landing page, otherwise known as the dashboard. The company dashboard customization allows for company logo, company announcements, notifications such as employees' birthdays, performance reviews, anniversaries, and any expiring documents. Now let's take a look at how the company announcements are set up. Using the HR Administrator role, we will be navigating to the Company menu tile, which is home to the Announcement Setup area. Within this dashboard, you can see all announcements that are stored in the system. And as mentioned before, announcements can be customized with images, verbiage, and website links. Now let's go take a look at how the employee data is stored within the Advanced HR platform. The Employee Maintenance menu is home to the employee data. Within this menu is the Employee Summary. The Employee Summary dashboard presents itself as an employee grid or roster. With a single click of an employee's line entry, the employee record will expand. The top portion of the Employee Summary is a snapshot of the employee's job details. The bottom portion of the Employee Summary is dedicated to demographic and personal information. The employee's employment data can be found on the Employment Detail screen. The Employment Detail area allows for administrators to hire, terminate, or change an employee's job record. As the Employment Detail dashboard may look very similar to the Employee Summary dashboard, this dashboard is solely dedicated to company and job-related data. This employee entry shows the employee's name, ID number, effective dates, position title, and other details. Within the Employment Detail record, you can see the employee's position, status, organization levels, compliance information, a direct reports to manager or supervisor, and some benefit eligibility information. Now that we've seen the employee data storage within the Advanced HR platform, let's go take a look at the electronic filing features of the system. Here you see the employee document dashboard. The administrator has the ability to share or hide the documents from the employee's view with the privacy settings. The users can then download or print the electronic file directly from their platform. A few examples that can be electronically stored are an employee's resume, background check authorization form, W-4 form, and the I-9, just to name a few. Advanced HR also allows for the electronic signing of documents, which is presented to the administrator with the red timestamp. One of the key features of the Advanced HR platform is its applicant tracking functionality. The system allows for an unlimited amount of application versions, which gives the users the ability to publicize various open job postings. The applicant tracking dashboard will list all of the application versions populated within the system. Here we are looking at an administrative staff application version template. Within each application version, an administrator has the ability to customize the required fields of the application, such as employment and education history, work conditions, skills, etc. The system also allows for customized questions to be included within the application. As the system can house various applications, the job posting dashboard is where application templates become live. This example shows an open job posting for a medical billing clerk. Within the job posting record, the system allows for even more customization to your electronic job posting. Directly within the job posting area, the administrator has the ability to delegate which division, department, branch, and team this applicant will be placed in. The system also enables the user to customize the job posting description, which is used to describe the job duties, skills, and qualifications. Now that you've seen the customization capabilities of the applicant tracking feature, let's take a look at how the job posting is created and published. The Advanced HR platform allows recruiters to be linked and actively a part of the company's applicant tracking process. Within the job posting customization area, the system will generate a URL job posting link, which can be posted on a recruiting site or the company's website. Once all customization and fine-tuning is set, the job posting link presents itself in a clean and easy-to-read website. As an applicant completes their application and the employer is interested in hiring the prospect, the next step is to complete the onboarding process. The Advanced HR system has the ability to electronically and seamlessly integrate these two hiring steps. Similar to the application versions, the system begins the onboarding process with onboarding task lists. An onboarding task list is equivalent to a new hire packet. In the event that a company may require different paperwork for various positions or departments, the onboarding feature can streamline that type of hiring process. The new hire packet can be customized to include electronic documents for new hires to sign and submit during the onboarding process. Using the electronic onboarding feature, the new hire will receive an email from the Advanced HR system. This customized welcome email will contain a hyperlink that will direct them to the company's platform for them to complete their new hire paperwork. The new hire will enter their demographic information along with federal, state, and I-9 information. Each area of the onboarding process includes an electronic signature from the new hire. The onboarding dashboard is where the administrators can view the status of a new hire's onboarding progress. The onboarding dashboard will present the new hire's progress as prepped, onboarding started, or requires approval. The administrator is able to resend an onboarding email directly from this area if needed. Once the administrator reviews the completed paperwork, the user will then approve the submitted data. Once the new hire has completed the onboarding process and all steps are approved, all employee data is loaded directly into the employee's electronic Advanced HR record. Company benefits can also be stored in the Advanced HR platform. The benefit plan and policy dashboard displays general information such as the benefit type and the benefit carrier. The benefit plan and policy entry will include detailed information such as the benefit policy number, the carrier's website, as well as the start and end date of the policy. For each benefit plan, a waiting rule and eligibility group can be set up. Benefit documents can also be attached to the plan. The rates for the benefit plan tiers are also entered directly into the Advanced HR platform. This area allows for the administrator to attach the proper deduction code to the plan, which is then in turn synced directly into your payroll platform. Directly in the Advanced HR platform, administrators have the ability to set up the electronic open enrollment for their employees. As the open enrollment period comes around, the employees will log into their dashboard and enroll or waive the offered benefits. Once all the elections have been made, the employee can review the benefits as well as the cost broken down per paycheck. The employee will electronically sign off on these elections directly within the Advanced HR system. The administrator will then be able to view and approve the employee's elections and sync them directly into payroll. The Advanced HR system comes with a standard report library, which allows for the users to report on various areas within the platform. When selecting a report to run, the user can customize the parameters of the report. Once all parameters are set, the standard report will generate directly on the screen, giving the user the option to save or print the report. The Advanced HR system has the ability to generate customized reports with the use of the Quick Report Writing feature. The users have the ability to generate an existing save report or build a new report, which is based on one of the many report concepts within the system. In this example, we will view a customized report based off of the employee data concept. Similar to the standard reports, these customized reports will generate directly on the user's screen. The headings of the report are represented by the concept fields that were selected on the report parameters. These reports also can be saved to the user's computer or printed directly from the screen. Another beneficial feature of the Advanced HR platform is the audit logs that are built within. The auditing function displays all changes made within the system. The audit log details shows the date of the change, the field that was affected, the employee whose record was changed, the old and the new values, as well as the user who made this change. In addition to the audit logs, the Advanced HR system can track all emails that were pushed out in the email record list. The Sent Email dashboard allows the administrator to see the employee who had sent the email, the date and time of the email, as well as the recipient. With the ability to open up the email record, the administrator can see the exact contents of the email that was sent out. Now that we've seen the email record list, let's take a look at some examples of the platform's email notifications. Advanced HR can send out email notifications to an employee informing them of their direct deposit status, upcoming review dates, or even an employee's anniversary. While utilizing the onboarding feature, an administrator can send out a reminder to a new hire to remind them to complete their I-9 documentation. The applicant tracking piece of the Advanced HR platform allows for email notifications to thank an applicant for their interest in the company. Offer letters can also be sent out to applicants, as well as interview invites. Once again, these are just some examples of email notifications within the Advanced HR platform. Another key feature of the Advanced HR platform is its ability to incorporate SwipeClock's timekeeping software with a single sign-on integration. The single sign-on feature allows for the administrator of the SwipeClock platform to access the SwipeClock dashboard directly from Advanced HR with a single click of the mouse. Employees can access their SwipeClock employee self-service through the Advanced HR platform as well. This integration allows for employees to access their web clock directly from Advanced HR, to which they can clock in and out. In addition to the single sign-on feature, employees' HR information will sync directly into the SwipeClock platform. With the Advanced HR single sign-on feature, the administrator is brought directly into their company's payroll dashboard. In the event that a user has rights to multiple companies or entities, they will have the ability to toggle between all payroll accounts. The employee tile of the payroll platform houses all of the employee's demographic and pay information. The user will have the ability to filter employees by status, such as active, terminated, seasonal, etc. By clicking on an employee's name, it allows the user to view and edit the detailed information. The Personal Menu tile shows the user an employee's demographic information and all of its details. The Pay Menu tab shows the employee's salary or hourly rate, as well as their calculated annual salary amount. The system also allows users to access a history of pay changes and past raises. The Federal, State, and Local Menu tab allows the users to house individualized tax withholdings for each employee. The payroll processor also has the ability to override or add additional amounts to each tax entry. The Schedule ED tab is where all employees' earnings and deductions are listed. A handy tool of the Evolution payroll product is its check calculator. This feature allows users to formulate calculations outside of the scheduled payrolls. It allows the user to gross up, override frequency, marital status, or scheduled earnings and deductions in order to prepare a manual check. The Payroll Timeline screen allows the users to view previously processed payrolls as well as any upcoming scheduled payrolls. This is the screen where the user will go to begin a new payroll, and that process is as simple as clicking on the plus sign. Once the payroll has been created, the user can use the time clock integration tool to load hourly employees' payroll hours. This integration tool allows for the time clock source file to be directly imported into the payroll. Alternatively, the payroll processor can use the customizable payroll grid to enter employees' payroll hours. To reduce the risk of errors within data entry, The Payroll platform also allows for an import of an Excel spreadsheet. This import will seamlessly and efficiently load all employee data directly into your payroll grid. After entering all of the payroll data, the user will pre-process the payroll by clicking on the Calculate button. This will manipulate the gross amounts and convert them into nets. This screen will also allow the user to review totals by specific earnings and deductions. Now it's time to review the pre-processed payroll. By reviewing the pre-processed payroll register, the user can verify that employees will be paid accurately. This report is an exact replica of the employee pay details once processed. We're almost at the finish line, folks. To finalize the payroll, the user will click Finish, followed by Submit Payroll. From this point, a designated payroll professional will finalize the payroll cycle. Another great tool of the Evolution Payroll platform is the Check Finder. This feature allows the user to search for a check by check number, employee name, or by a date. Once selected, the user can then view the exact details of the individual's check. The Report tile of the Evolution Payroll platform houses various types of reports. First, we will take a look at the Published Report area. These reports generate with every submitted payroll. Quarterly and year-end reports will automatically be stored in this area as well. The user has the ability to effortlessly filter amongst various reports. The Evolution Payroll platform allows for another set of reports, which we know as defined reports. Defined reports are a set of reports that the user can manipulate by date, employee, organization, and other categories. Here is where the user can extract data within a specific date range, as well as select individual or multiple employees to report on. Here is an example of a payroll register report that is automated with every payroll batch. This report helps employers keep track of employee payroll information. Here we are viewing a sample of an employee's electronic check stub, which is posted within the employee portal for easy access. Both the employer and the employees can extract a previously dated check stub from the online portal if needed. And that concludes our brief overview of the advanced HR and payroll platform capabilities. For more information, please contact your sales representative. Thank you and have a great day.